In Chesapeake, a judge this morning denied a motion to reconsider the sentence for one man convicted of a hit and run that killed an 8-year-old child.
Yeah, Richard Humbert's 5-year sentence still stands for the hit and run death of 8-year-old Forrest Hooper. This comes after Humbert's attorney tried to lower it to just 3 years because of what that attorney claimed was new evidence. We've got Emily Harrison in studio now with a closer look. Emily, what kind of new evidence are we talking about?
All right, well, bear with me as today's new evidence breaks down really into 3 different categories. One is new character testimony from Richard Humbert's mother. The second is a new learning disability diagnosis prosecutors say plagued Humbert from elementary to middle school. And the third is the continued talks of Humbert's astigmatism, which Humbert's attorney claims could have played a role in Humbert not realizing that he had struck a child with his car. But during an emotional day in court, the judge struck down all of this.
The Chesapeake judge took less than an hour to deny Richard Humbert's motion, telling Humbert it had no bearing on his sentence. While Humbert's side of the courtroom remained silent, 8-year-old Forrest Hooper took a big breath of relief and frustration.
You know, there was a part of me that said, finally, he's going to show some remorse. And that didn't happen. We got excuse after excuse why he shouldn't have to serve the in my opinion, light sentence that he got.
Cindy Lutz, Forrest Hooper's grandmother, held onto Forrest's favorite dinosaur as the judge made his ruling. She says her family has tried to move on, but says she didn't even know the matter was going back to court until just a few days ago.
Are you kidding me? What next? I mean, that really is what went through my head.
A jury convicted Humbert back in November last year. While defense attorneys argued Humbert thought he hit a deer on South Battlefield Boulevard, prosecutors say his Google searches suggest differently, as he searched online for Chesapeake crashes and stopped once he found Forrest Hooper's name. Lutz says to this day, Humbert has not apologized.
I would have liked to have heard him say, "I'm sorry for destroying your family." He didn't do the right thing, and I have to sit in court and I have to hear about what a pillar of society Mr. Humbert is. But when the time came for him to do the right thing, he didn't.
Lutz says she now wants stricter laws in place when it comes to hit-and-run crashes, as the judge decided on a 5-year sentence as Humbert did not have a previous criminal record. But for now, Lutz says the sentencing is appropriate, and she is grateful for the judge's actions.
Lutz says once her family is more healed, they're going to try to move forward to bring in legislative justice in Forrest's memory. She says this is a goal of hers, but that they are still trying to move through their own grief at this time. Emily Harrison, 13 News Now.
All right, Emily, thanks for the update. And for now, the 5-year sentence for Richard Humbert stands, although the case could move to the appellate court.